Thank you for shopping with Easy Breathe, the online CPAP supply store. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the proper way to set up the VirtuCLEAN. To properly set up your new cleaning system, you'll need the VirtuCLEAN, a CPAP machine. For this demonstration, we'll use the AirSense 10 by ResMed, a mask, in this case, the P10 by ResMed, and a standard CPAP tube. Start by taking one end of the tube, it should be soft and malleable, and plugging that into the VirtuCLEAN. Take the other end and plug it into the CPAP like you would when using it. Then turn it on. "30 minutes later, it's time to switch to the mask. Plug the mask into the end of the tube that was previously attached to the CPAP. Next, place the mask inside the VirtuCLEAN bag and zip it shut so only the tube is sticking out. Then, turn the VirtuCLEAN on again. And that's all there is to it. To use the VirtuCLEAN with a heated tube, there's a very similar process. Take the malleable end of the tube and plug it into the VirtuCLEAN. Then, the hard plastic end of the tube goes into the CPAP the same way it would when using the machine. Once it has finished its cycle, you clean the mask by plugging the mask into the hard plastic end of the tube. This will be a loose fit, but it works for using the VirtuCLEAN. The rest of the process is the same. To make things easier, there's also a heated tube adapter available as an additional purchase. You plug the adapter into the VirtuCLEAN, and the hard plastic end attaches directly to the adapter. Then you're able to plug the soft end of the hose directly into the CPAP, and then the same goes for the mask. And there you have it. That is the proper way to set up the VirtuCLEAN. The VirtuCLEAN is a great device for completely sanitizing your CPAP system. However, if you need to remove foreign materials or residues, CPAP wipes are a great option to supplement your cleaning system.